For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a juice bar is a refreshing business idea that combines health-conscious trends with the appeal of natural, tasty beverages. It offers the potential for a profitable venture in urban and suburban areas where customers seek convenient, nutritious options. Using free AI tools can make this process significantly easier by cutting costs, streamlining decision-making, and increasing productivity. Below is a comprehensive step-by-step guide to help you launch a successful juice bar business with the help of free AI. Step 1. Conduct market research using AI. Begin with thorough market research to understand your target audience, competitors, pricing models, and trends in the juice industry. Use Google Bard or ChatGPT free to gather insights, summarize reports, or even analyze demographics for your target location. Another tool like Perplexity.ai can be helpful to extract and synthesize market data from the web. Prompt to use in ChatGPT. Give me a market analysis of the juice bar industry in your city or area, including key trends, target demographics, and competitive landscape. Step 2. Write a business plan using AI. A solid business plan is the foundation of your juice bar. Use ChatGPT to generate a detailed business plan, including sections like executive summary, market analysis, product offerings, operations plan, and financial projections. Google Docs with AI writing assistants, like Grammarly.go, can also support polishing the document. Prompt to use in ChatGPT. Create a complete business plan for a juice bar targeting health-conscious consumers in a suburban area. Include goals, SWOT analysis, startup costs, and marketing strategy. Step 3. Choose a strategic location. Use AI-powered map tools like Google Maps and Google Earth to analyze foot traffic, proximity to gyms, schools, and offices. Combine that with real estate listing sites supported by AI filters like Zillow or LoopNet to scout affordable and strategic locations. Prompt to use in ChatGPT. What are the top factors to consider when selecting a location for a juice bar business? Step 4. Name and brand your juice bar with AI. Use AI branding tools like Namelix, free AI business name generator, to generate creative and catchy names. Then use Canva's free AI design tools to create a logo and brand kit including fonts, color schemes, and imagery. These tools help establish a professional brand identity without hiring a designer. Prompt to use in ChatGPT. Suggest 10 unique and catchy names for a juice bar focused on organic, fresh fruit juices. Step 5. Design the menu and recipes using AI. Use ChatGPT to help create a juice menu based on trending health ingredients, local produce, and customer preferences. You can also use Spinacular API or Edamame, limited free tiers, to calculate nutritional data for each recipe, which is important for health-conscious customers. Prompt to use in ChatGPT. Create a list of 10 unique juice recipes using tropical fruits, vegetables, and superfoods. Include suggested names and health benefits. Step 6. Source equipment and ingredients. Leverage Google Shopping's AI filter or ChatGPT to compare prices and find affordable equipment like juicers, refrigerators, blenders, and display cases. Use free AI browser extensions like Glasp or Notion Web Clipper to save and organize product comparisons. For ingredients, use AI tools like ChatGPT to list reliable local suppliers for fresh produce. Prompt to use in ChatGPT. List the essential equipment needed to open a juice bar, including estimated startup costs for each item. Step 7. Create a financial plan with AI. Use Excel or Google Sheets with integrated AI features, like Google Duet AI, to build a startup budget, revenue forecast, and break-even analysis. Ask ChatGPT to assist you in building financial models based on your local prices and menu pricing. Prompt to use in ChatGPT. Help me create a monthly financial projection for a juice bar with estimated sales, costs of goods sold, and net profit margin. Step 8. Handle legal requirements. Ask ChatGPT to summarize the licenses and permits required for a juice bar in your city or state, such as a business license, health department permit, and food handler certifications. Use AI to draft basic legal documents, such as partnership agreements or vendor contracts with templates from websites like Docracy or Lorena. Free tier available. Prompt to use in ChatGPT. What licenses and permits do I need to open a juice bar in your city/state? And how do I apply for them? Step 9. Develop a marketing plan with free AI tools. Use ChatGPT to generate a detailed marketing plan that includes online promotion, local outreach, and influencer strategies. Canva's AI tools can help create social media posts, flyers, and banners. Meta's AI ad generator can assist in designing your first Facebook and Instagram ad campaigns. Prompt to use in ChatGPT. Write a 30-day marketing plan for the launch of a juice bar with a small budget, focusing on social media and local outreach. Step 10. Build an online presence with AI website builders. Use free website builders like Wix or Hosting or AI Website Builder, which use AI to generate personalized websites quickly. Include features like your menu, contact info, ordering options, and a blog. Use ChatGPT or WriteSonic to generate the written content and page copy. Prompt to use in ChatGPT. Write the homepage content for a juice bar that promotes healthy, fresh, organic juices and has a relaxed, tropical vibe. Step 11. Prepare a soft launch strategy. Use ChatGPT to help design your launch event plan, from offering samples to loyalty cards. Tools like Canva's AI print templates can help make menus and posters for launch. Use Google Forms to collect early customer feedback with AI-generated survey templates. Prompt to use in ChatGPT. Create a soft launch plan for my juice bar, including promotional offers, sample tasting, and ways to collect customer feedback. Conclusion. Launching a juice bar business has never been more accessible thanks to the power of free AI tools. From market research to branding, menu creation to marketing, each step of the journey can be enhanced and accelerated using smart, intuitive AI platforms. These tools help eliminate guesswork and cut costs, making entrepreneurship more achievable for anyone with a vision. With the right preparation, strategic AI use, and consistent focus on customer needs, your juice bar can become a vibrant, profitable hub for health and flavor in your community. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.